snow and at the same time low wind. So kusog kaayo ang hangin. So high wind warning ni today. Unya kanang nag-snow pag yun. So wala na unta mi, warm na unta for the last days. Kahapon ni sugod na pud mig tugnaw, mura na pud og winter. And then karon high wind warning plus snow. So it's snowing heavily. Kakita mo sa direction sa hangin, it's going to the left and it's pretty wild. So the dangerous thing is when you are